Hello everyone, thanks for checking back in on Growing with the Gold. I'm Michael Beck and today we're checking in on our strawberries. These have been planted and established now. We're starting to get our first fruit sets. It's been a few weeks since we fed with our all-purpose to help get them up and running. You can see these leaves are big, lush, beautiful, and we're getting our first ripe fruit. This is the perfect time to go to the crown jewels bloom. We want to encourage more flowers, bigger, sweeter fruit. So this is the moment that we want to move to our bloom. We're going to get any of the berries that are pretty ripe out of the way here and move on to this bloom formula. We want to try and avoid getting the fertilizer all over the berries, but we'll wash them anyway. But here we go. We'll get these berries out of here. There's just a few ripe, so we're hitting it just at the right moment to really push these into overdrive. So another thing that we want to do when we're in here fertilizing, this is the perfect time to make sure we're cutting off any runners and getting any extra weeds out of our bed. We really are trying to encourage the blooms right now. We're really trying to make sure all the nutrients are going into fruit and flower production. So getting the weeds out is going to help with that. And so is trimming these runners off. We're just going to get these out of the way so the plant can focus its energy on delicious strawberries for our kitchen table. One of the nice things about using Crown Jewels fertilizers is you want to reapply about every 2 weeks or so, which is enough time to let some weeds pop up, let these runners start to go, but short enough that you can actually keep maintenance so it's not getting away from us in the garden. All right, we're going to go ahead and scratch this in. Thanks for joining us on another Growing with the Gold to see how Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening. We'll see you next time.